Hey guys, welcome back to my channel yet once again. It's your girl Miss Kiki Style, aka Natural Hair Key, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so this one I'm not really too proud about, but I just wanted to share something with you guys. Okay, so for the past few weeks, you guys, I have been having issues with dandruff. I have never ever dealt with dandruff before. Now, I know a lot of people deal with this, you know, and they talk about using Head and Shoulders, they talk about using essential oils, they talk about not using essential oils, they talk about adding oils with your shampoo. So many different things, you know. Some people say Head and Shoulders work for them, some people say it don't, you know. And honestly, I've used Head and Shoulders before and I didn't even have dandruff. I was just using it because it was convenient. You know, that was the first thing I seen. I was kind of in a rush, or I just needed to get some shampoo like right away. Like, you know, my head is itching, like, and I don't understand. It's like when I scratch my scalp, scratch my hair, it's just, shit just falling, flakes everywhere. Like, I'm so not used to this. Like, I'm just so over it, and it just looks so nasty, you know. And it's like on your shirt, you know, it's embarrassing and I hate it, you know. But let me just tell you guys, okay, so I've had my hair braided like this for already I want to say going on 2 weeks, so we can have somewhere around that. So my hair has not been washed in over a week or two. Now, mind you, I have did so many different styles to my hair in the past. So many different styles to my hair, and I have never had issues with dandruff. I don't care. You know, my mom said, well, when you get older, you know, things change, your body changes, you know. There's some stuff that your body is not accustomed to, or there's things that your body was accustomed to in the past that, you know, it no longer agrees with your body and things like that. So I'm like, okay, you know, she could possibly be right. So I'm looking it up, and so I'm seeing different stuff, you know, like less intake on your sugars, or, you know, watching what you eat, you know, different things like that. So I'm just like, okay, that's cool, that's fine, that's dandy, you know, whatever. So I'm just like, okay, what really works? So I'm over here trying to figure it out. And I'm like, okay, I've never had issues with like super dry scalp. I've never had issues with like super itchy scalp. Like, you know, every once in a while, yeah, your hair might get dry, you put a little oil on there, but let me tell you, my hair, I don't know, to me it just looks better without oil. So I go for as long as I possibly can without putting oil on my hair when it's straightened, you know. But let's just say if I braid my hair into the scalp and put a wig on top, of course I'm gonna try to oil my scalp or something to that effect, you know. But it was like never much needed or mandatory that I put oil on my hair. So I'm like, okay, well, let me tell you, okay, let me tell you. So if you are dealing with dandruff, or if you have those types of issues, tea tree oil works, okay? Now, how I've been doing it, guys, is I just put my little tea tree oil on my scalp, and I call it a day, I call it a night, and I just go on about my business. So usually what I do is I try to put it on at night, you know, so that it kind of soaks in my scalp and I don't have to worry about my hair looking extra oily or extra shiny or whatever throughout the day. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and oil my scalp with some tea tree oil. So I'm just gonna put that on my scalp, and I'm just going to rub that in. But still, it's just like, ew. Like, I'm not judging anybody who deals with dandruff or anything like that, because clearly that's what I'm dealing with right now, and I'm just over it. So I wanted to share this with you guys, and hopefully it works for you, because it's been working for me. Like I said, I haven't washed my hair in like over 2 weeks, somewhere around that, because I got my hair braided. So of course I'm not gonna wash it, you know, because I don't want my braids to mess up. I want them to kind of last. So you can actually wash your hair if it's braided, but it's totally up to you. I just want mine to last, okay? So I'm just putting this tea tree oil directly on my scalp. And for those of you who are watching this video and you have other alternatives, or you have other info or things, or you know, ideas, like I said, on what works for you, or just, you know, what items works for you, you can put them down in the comments below. Some people use coconut oil, lemongrass oil. There's other types of oils that you can use, but this tea tree oil, let me tell you, it works. So I'm just going to rub it all in, and it just feels so good, y'all, on my scalp. It's like my scalp is crying for tea tree oil. Like, what the hell? Never had issues, never had any problems with it. Never, ever, ever in life, right? So ever since then, I've just been using this tea tree oil. And so that's pretty much it. So again, if you guys have any ideas, or if you guys are dealing with dandruff, just go ahead and use tea tree oil. But if you know something else that I could possibly use, put it down in the comments below. And yeah, peace out. I will see you in my next video.